In a previous video, I went to Teams meetings whiteboard and had some difficulty getting it open. Just that you download the application or simply select the web app. So that's what I'm going to show you how to do really quickly here. Go to Share, and then what you do is you select the whiteboard. And while it's loading the whiteboard, it'll come up with 3 different options. And one of them is a little bit hidden. It'll take a second to open up. Pro tip, get your kids to get off Netflix before you record a video. So it should pop up in a second. All right, now you can see on this page, this is where the whiteboard interface is. I'm going to use the web app instead. And open up the screen. So I was thinking that this would be a very useful tool to do some two-way exchanges with full class, watch a math lesson, or like that. You can select, when it's done loading, you can select an eraser, various colors of pens, and of course you can make the canvas infinitely large. So right now we're just going to use this square that's here. You can also, while we're waiting for it to load, you can copy and share the link to this, so you can share it with someone, watch it, record it, and all of these recordings that I've created end up in something called Stream through Microsoft Stream, and it says you just created a video, and then you can copy and paste it into your classroom environment, or just put it into the stream. Okay, so I'm just going to go to equals. Now, it takes a bit of time and to get used to these. It's an option and something I think that's worth exploring. So thanks. Have a good day.